Y'all ready?
You ready?
Y'all ready?
Let's start.
There.
Ready?
You see? Alright, please. No, balloons are pretty flexible.
Okay.
So start talking. That's great.
Y'all
Y'all can take turns.
Take turns.
You want to hold it?
Ready for the second one?
Yeah.
1 out of 4 is a girl.
Alright.
Boom!
You get it? Come on.
I'm sorry.
You ready? You ready?
And then Ashley, come on. I'm gonna let you pop it. You wanna help her pop it?
Easy.
Yeah.
No, give her the knife. No, give her the knife.
Are you ready?
Just. Three girls.
So, anybody want to guess what the last one's going to be?
Boy, no, girl. Boy.
Can I do it? So you got it?
Everyone ready? Okay, here we go. Go for it. Okay, baby one is a girl. Well, baby number 2 is a girl.
Baby number 3 is a Baby number 4 is a
Okay, so we're gonna do the reveal of the genders. So, do you want to start with A?
Yeah, we'll start with A.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Ready?
Girl.
Whoa! I'm already out of it. Over one.
Yeah.
Okay, which one?
B.
B, go right down the line. No. Go and see.
B is a girl. Girl.
Yeah, going with girl.
Girl.
That's what I have.
Oh my God! Not going so well for me.
Here we go, D.
It's a boy.
That's a boy.
Yo,
It's a boy.
We got 2 and 2 here.
Okay.
Alright, congratulations. Go.
I'd say that's baby A. Open it up, baby A.
Oh, Lincoln.
Boy! What color is that? Yeah. Alright.
This one.
Do baby B.
There's more. Look, here. Hold this.
Do it again. Do it again.
You got it?
Open it out. It's baby B. Oh,
Another boy.
what color's the balloon?
What color is it?
Why?
Blue?
Color
of his blue. Get this one for me. Look up. Do this one. This one.
Okay, clap.
Right here.
Open the other box.
Got it?
Here you go, baby.
Oh, it's baby C.
Yay. You think it's all boys?
Oh, another boy.
3 boys.
Another boy. You got it.
All right, last one. Come on. Right down. Look up.
4 boys.
Right here. Right here.
That looks disappointing.
All right, baby D.
It's a girl.
Yay!
Yay! Clap, Lincoln.
4 boys and a girl.
It's pink.
Where's mine?
Wait a minute.